اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم۔ تعلیمام چینل میں آپ سب کو خوش آمدید۔ ٹوڈے وی آر گوئنگ ٹو ریڈ دا یونٹ نمبر 6.1 اورل کمیونیکیشن۔ پاکستان۔ علی what are you doing؟ سارہ I am making a flag for Pakistan Day۔ علی may I help you؟ سارہ Yes, thank you۔ Ali, may I sit here؟ Sahara, yes, of course۔ Now look at the page number 47, comprehension 6.2, Pakistan Freedom Day۔ 14 August is Pakistan Freedom Day۔ 14 اگست پاکستان کی آزادی کا دن ہے۔ It is a school holiday۔ اس دن اسکول کی چھٹی ہوتی ہے۔ But early in the morning children go to school۔ لیکن صبح جلدی بچے اسکول جاتے ہیں۔ They do not take their bags but they carry the green and white پاکستانی فلیگ۔ وہ اپنے بیگ لے کر نہیں جاتے لیکن ہرے اور سفید پاکستان کے پرچم لے کر جاتے ہیں۔ The school ground is full۔ اسکول کا میدان بھر گیا۔ Happy children stand in front of the stage۔ خوش بچے اسٹیج کے سامنے کھڑے تھے۔ They wait for the siren۔ وہ سائرن بجنے کا انتظار کر رہے تھے۔ At 8 o'clock they hear the siren۔ 8 بجے انہوں نے سائرن بجنے کی آواز سنی۔ The flag is put up and the children sing پاک سرزمین شاد باد۔ جھنڈے کو لہرایا گیا اور بچوں نے پاک سرزمین شاد باد پڑھا۔ Then the principal tell them what قائد اعظم said۔ اور پھر پرنسپل نے انہیں بتایا کہ قائد اعظم نے کیا کہا تھا۔ He said that children must work hard for Pakistan۔ انہوں نے کہا تھا کہ بچے پاکستان کے لیے سخت محنت کریں۔ After that they sing national songs۔ اس کے بعد انہوں نے قومی نغمے پڑھے۔ In the end they get sweet۔ آخر میں ان کو مٹھائی ملی۔ The children were very happy۔ بچے بہت خوش تھے۔ They wave their flag and sing with the singers on the stage۔ وہ اپنے جھنڈے لہرا رہے تھے اور ملی نغمہ پڑھنے والوں کے ساتھ ملی نغمہ پڑھ رہے تھے۔ After that they wish each other happy Pakistan Freedom Day۔ اس کے بعد انہوں نے ایک دوسرے کو پاکستان کے یوم آزادی کی مبارکباد دی۔ Then they all get sweets and go home۔ اور پھر ان تمام کو مٹھائی ملی اور وہ گھر چلے گئے۔ Now look at the page number 47. Number 1, write 3 things the children do on Pakistan Freedom Day. Number 1, wave flags. Number 2, sing national songs. Number 3, wish Happy Independence Day each other. Number 2, complete these sentences. Number 1, at 8 o'clock they hear the siren. Number 2, the principal tells them what Qaid-e-Azam said. Number 3, they wave their flag. Number 4, they sing with the singer on the stage. Number 5, the children wish each other Happy Pakistan Freedom Day. Number 3, answer these questions. What do the children take to school on Pakistan Freedom Day? Example, the Pakistani flag. Number 1. When is the Pakistan Freedom Day? Answer, 14 August is Pakistan Freedom Day. Number 2. What is Quaid-e-Azam's message for children? Answer, he said children must work hard for Pakistan. Number 3. What do they sing? Answer, they sing national songs. Number 4. When do they go home? Answer, after getting sweets, they go home. Now look at the page number 49. Check your answer with your neighbor. Do you have the same answers? Tick yes or no. Yes. If not, find the correct answer from the textbook. Number 4. Post reading. Tell the class one thing you do on Pakistan Freedom Day. I pray for my country. Allah keep it safe from the enemies and bless it with His mercy. Now look at the page number 50. Number 5. Word study FL and GR word. Say flag, listen to the FL sound. Say grass, listen to the GR sound. Number 2. Complete the words with FL or GR and say them aloud. Flag, class, green, grass, flower, grey. Write one more FL and GR word. Learn all the spellings for dictation. Now look at the page number 51. Language practice grammar. Uncle and auntie come for a visit. Sarah, go and see who is at the door, said Amna. When I opened the door, I was very happy. Uncle and auntie had come from Malir. They brought many gifts for us. Uncle gave me a doll. Amna liked sweet things. They gave her chocolate. Ali plays cricket. They gave him a cricket bat. Tomorrow is a holiday. We will go to a farm and give them a good time. Activity number 1. Which words are in bold print? Read them aloud. Write them with the names of the persons. Name, pronoun. Sarah, me. Amna, her. Ali, him. Our family, we. Auntie and uncle, them. Now look at the page number 52. 6.4 Punctuation. Exclamation mark. Read these sentences. It is result day today. I passed. I came first in class. I got a prize. Wow. An exclamation is a sentence that shows strong feelings. It begins with a capital letter, ends with an exclamation mark. Write an exclamation mark at the end of each exclamatory exclamation. Example, how clever of you. What a surprise. What a funny boy. How wonderful is. Now look at the page number 53. 6.5 Writing. Write a few sentences to describe a picture and a series of pictures describing a picture. By the end of the unit, the student will be able to replace rebus with words to complete the description of the picture. Look at the picture. The giraffe is flying an aeroplane. The kites are flying in the sky. The boat is floating. The boy wants the kite. The animals looking towards the sky. The bird is carrying a baby boy. The sun is shining. Number 2. Write words in the blank to complete the story. The sun is shining. There are 2 birds and many kites in the sky. The boy wants the kite. It is stuck in the branch of a tree. He will fly the kite with his friends. Now look at the page number 54, 6.6 writing. Color the map and flag of Pakistan and write one sentence about Pakistan. One sentence about what you can do for Pakistan. Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. Look at the page number 55. Here is the flag of Pakistan. Sentence: we must work hard for our country. Copy work for the unit number 6 will be uploaded in the next video. I hope my videos are beneficial for you. If you like it, then like, share and subscribe my channel.